This is the second of 5 1586 demo videos. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure input channels. The 1586 supports a maximum of 40 input channels and can scan up to 10 channels per second. Each slot can hold an internal high-capacity module or connect to an external DAQ stack multiplexer. There are also alarm and digital I/O ports, Ethernet and USB ports used for remote operation using Skippy commands, and there is a temperature sensor control port to control a Fluke calibration dry well or temperature bath for automated tests. For factory applications, the 1586 will typically be configured with the internal high-capacity module shown here. The temperature sensor most frequently used for factory applications is the thermocouple. Types K, T, and J are the most common. The 1586 measures thermocouples accurate to within 0.03 degrees C, which is accurate enough for most factory applications. Industrial PRTs can also be monitored or calibrated with this configuration. The high-capacity module is a quick input connection to the 1586 that allows you to measure 20 channels of different parameters. These include temperature, resistance, and DC voltage. In addition, there are 2 dedicated DC current channels in the module. Wiring a system with 20 channels can be time-consuming. The internal module gives you the flexibility to pre-wire your connector and leave it at the job site where you can come back later without having to go through additional wiring. With the high-capacity module, you can wire your system once, quickly disconnect the module from your 1586, and reconnect another one for a different test. This is the DAQ stack multiplexer. It's an external benchtop accessory used to quickly wire inputs of various types. The 1586 configured with an external DAQ stack multiplexer becomes an accurate benchtop reference thermometer for calibrating PRTs, thermocouples, and thermistors in a calibration lab. PRT measurement is accurate within 5 milligrees C. The DAQ stack includes 10 4-wire mini DWF PRT or thermistor inputs and 20 mini jack thermocouple connectors. A maximum of 20 channels can be used to measure temperature, resistance, and DC voltage. This concludes the video on configuring input channels for the 1586 Super DAQ Precision Temperature Scanner. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to run a scan, record, and save data.